Let's organize your activities in Edvento. First, log into your Edvento account. After you sign in, you will arrive at your teacher dashboard. On the teacher dashboard, you will see two main sections. The first section is the folder section. The second section is the activity section. The folder section helps you organize your activities. You can create folders. You can also create folders inside other folders. These are called nested folders. Nested folders help you keep your activities well organized. To create a folder, click the Create New Folder button. Enter a folder name. For example, you can type Chemistry. Then click Save. Your new folder will now appear in the folder section. When you create activities, they will appear in the Activity section. You can move your activities into folders. There are two ways to do this. The first way is drag and drop. Click and hold an activity card. Drag it into the folder. When you see the plus icon, release the mouse button. The activity will move into that folder.
The second way is useful when you want to move more than one activity. Open the Activity Selection tool from the navigation bar. Select the activities you want to move. Then, click the Move To button. A folder directory will appear. Choose the folder where you want to move your activities. Then, click Move There. All selected activities will move into the chosen folder. You can also change how your activities are displayed. There are two display options: Card View and List View. In Card View, activities appear as activity cards. In List View, activities appear as a list. The folder section stays the same, but the activity section changes into a list. List View helps you see more details. You can see how many questions each activity contains. You can also see when each activity was created. There are also action buttons. You can edit an activity. You can rename it. You can move it into a folder. You can assign it to a class. You can show its QR code. You can view analytics. You can delete it. Or you can start the activity.
You can also use the search bar to find activities. Type a keyword. For example, you can type physics. Edvento will show all activities related to that keyword. It does not matter which folder they are in. This makes the search tool very useful. You can also filter activities by activity type. For example, you can show only sequence activities. You can sort your activities too. You can sort them from oldest to newest. You can sort them from newest to oldest, or you can sort them alphabetically from A to Z. Finally, let's look at the trash bin. The trash bin stores deleted activities. To delete an activity, move your mouse over the activity card. The activity card will show management options. Click the Delete button. A confirmation message will appear. Click Delete to confirm. Now open the trash bin. You will see the deleted activity there. From the trash bin, you can restore the activity, or you can permanently delete it. If you do nothing, the activity will stay in the trash bin for 30 days. After 30 days, it will be deleted automatically. That's how you organize activities, use folders, search and filter activities, and manage deleted activities in Edvento.